Alright, here's how to remove the spare tire on a Gen 1 Toyota Tacoma. We have step-by-step directions on the website too, so you can print those out after you watch the video. The tools and parts you need are listed in the description below. So if your truck is like my Gen 1 Tacoma, the spare tire is located underneath the truck on the back. The truck came with a spare tire removal kit. These are the pieces. You got to assemble these three. We'll do that in a bit. And one is the lug nut removal tool. If you lose it, Amazon has them for sale. You can buy one there. This is the lug nut wrench if you need to take your wheels off, but that's not what we're doing today. Today we're just lowering the spare tire. There's little divots on the end of these rods. You might have to back this retention screw out a little bit and then tighten it down to lock that into place. And then you put the handle on. Same thing, look for that divot. Slide it on and tighten it down. Now above your license plate on the rear bumper, there's a hole between the rear lift gate and the bumper. You're going to slide in your lowering tool, and it needs to fit in to this lowering mechanism here. You might have to turn it around, wiggle it to get it in. Once you do, then start twisting it counterclockwise, and that's going to lower the mechanism which holds the tire up. You can see there's a metal cable here which extends and drops the tire. Keep turning until the tire gets all the way down to the ground, and then turn it a little bit more and you'll release this metal bracket that holds the tire onto the truck. If you want to put it back on, just reverse the process. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, check out the TacomaGuide.com.